Okay, so basically what we're looking at here is the telemetry DashTop unit. Right now we're actually looking at the web browser here. If you want to go to the main menu, you can just kind of cycle through the applications and features. It also has, your kind of typical navigation features here. You can go shopping, hotels, food, all this stuff. Something you would find kind of in your normal, TomTom or Garmin type device. Turn-by-turn directions, that type of thing. As far as the media player, there's a 250 gigabyte automotive grade hard drive on this thing, so you can just load hundreds of movies, songs, anything you want.
Does it play a variety of formats?
The big formats like the MP3, like the WAV files, whatever. The main formats, the video formats as well, as long as whatever codecs are supported by your install. I mean, it's all basically there. So basically, that's.
I see. It also has Pandora.
Oh, Pandora, yeah.
Okay,
it's basically right now we just kind of go off the website, but we're looking to develop our own.
Now, how does it connect wirelessly? Is it 3G or?
We're going right now. So we're going through the clear wire, so we're actually on 4G.
Oh, okay. WiMAX, nice.
On the WiMAX, yeah. So anyway, let's see what else. You can hook up your iPod via the USB connection. That's part of the kind of the multimedia / the navigation features. Some of the connectivity features that we have are typical of our installations. We're actually connected to the car, the OBD2 system, so you can see the engine speed. It's all connected. You can connect that via USB connection or Bluetooth.
Okay.
So that's kind of the way we want to go. Is kind of go towards wireless. Here it would display if your engine trouble codes come up, something wrong with your car. It comes up right here. There's really no guesswork involved. We have also basically taken it a step further, and what we can do then is to take that engine information and be able to send it,
to the dealer.
To the dealer,
Okay.
yeah. So basically, right now it's just in the form of an email. Of course, that can be done via, just like a streaming to a database or something like that.
Okay.
So right now, I can show you an example of what that email looks like. Let's go back to our email. We have an email client here. Download an email, 101. And then right here we go. 11:58 a.m. Speed 0 miles per hour. All this here.
Okay.
You can see, and if there was an engine trouble code, it would display that right there. So this can be emailed anywhere. I mean, just for demonstration we use this, but it's kind of like it'll come through on my phone. Probably a couple of minutes or so.
Nice.
So that's some of the how we're kind of connected to the car, but we utilize the internet connection. But for applications like that, we fleets are kind of interested in things like that, and truck companies, taxi companies.
That's
so we're looking into those opportunities as well.
Now,
aside from consumer who basically wants to keep in touch with their dealership, get their parts ready, so they don't have to wait for just less time, less hassle.
Yeah, I can see this. This adds a lot to just the whole car experience as a whole. I mean, I guess you can also say various customers who don't know much about vehicles and cars, it helps them a lot in saying, okay, if I know this problem is this and that, and it's very easy for you to get your car fixed, without having that whole guesswork.
The whole guesswork. You're like, oh, well, am I getting ripped off by my mechanic? What's wrong with my car? I have no idea. This, at least you kind of go in there with a little bit of knowledge. And not only that, but you give it to whoever, the mechanic or your auto dealer. They get a heads up of what's going on. They know what to expect. They can schedule you in sooner and get you out sooner. So there's a wide variety. Also have you're connected to your cell phone via Bluetooth as well. You got the hands-free. The audio will come through the speaker system. And there's a built-in mic up here.
Okay.
So it's actually really handy, especially being here at the convention. People calling me up. Oh yeah. So
That's good. So, any idea around consumer price points?
right now, this is our pre-production unit. This actually goes for about $3,000,
Okay.
and it's basically it's not our mass production unit yet, but
Okay.
we are selling these. We do have these in a small fleets, and we do sell them to some select customers.
Okay.
But yeah, the production unit, we're looking to get that price, low, under $1,000, and that one's actually going to be portable.
Oh, okay, that's very
Move
nice.
it. Have it as basically like a small tablet PC.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, tablet piece, yeah. Okay. And it's gonna ask you. It's gonna be like the production is gonna be something that you just pick up at a Best Buy or something.
Exactly.
Like that.
Yeah. Aftermarket. That's obviously probably the easiest market to get into.
Now,
that's,
quick question: the wireless connectivity, since it's not just WiMAX, so you can use 3G.
Oh,
also.
absolutely.
Basically, just a USB plug and play.
Whatever your
Okay, that's pretty cool.
If you have a Sprint data plan or
okay.
Verizon plan or something
Okay.
like that, just stick it in a USB. Yeah,
Okay.
it's simple as that.
And are you guys looking at You said you're looking at different like automotive manufacturers too.
Oh yeah, absolutely. We obviously we are pursuing that on the business end, and that takes obviously more time and to pursue, and there's a lot of obstacles there. But there's no reason why we shouldn't. We also have, we can connect
that camera.
the USB. Any USB video device. Obviously, this is just a regular kind of web camera. There's nothing fancy here, but you can hook up a high def, 1080p, as long as it has a USB connection.
So you can get
Okay,
back
so-
cam to see what's behind.
Yeah,
you.
yeah,
Pretty much like
Or
the
you can
side
go
L
like
cam.
analog to digital, but just plug it in through a USB, and you can have a whole array of cameras.
Okay.
And that's maybe we should demo that next time. But yeah, this is just kind of shows the basic what's available. I mean, anything USB, any kind of Windows based.
Would this be the final build of the operating system here, or is that can also?
Oh, it's gonna continuously be improved and changed.
Now, would one be able to update it? Would that just come over the internet, or?
Updates over the internet. Right now, it's just updated over the net.
Okay, so once you just plug in your wireless card,
Yeah,
it should automatically update for you.
I mean, yeah,
Okay.
that's no problem.
Is
Software updates.
Is there plans to maybe bundle it with a wireless service, like bundle it with maybe Verizon? You're selling a DashTop, and
Yeah, I see what you're saying. I probably wouldn't be the right person to talk to. I don't know on the kind of the business development end. I'm kind of more of a technical kind of geek. So I know a little bit, but I don't. Yeah, I don't make those decisions.
Okay, no, that's fine.
So,
Oh,
Alright, that's cool.
thank you.
But yeah, I think we've kind of gone through some of the basic settings. Okay, you can hook your iPod, download your photos, whatever. Send them via email,
Well,
DVD player. You go back to your internet. You can watch your videos. You can.
is the platform open? Like, could developers make?
Oh, there's it's software development kits
Okay.
available.
So you basically people can throw apps.
Apps.
So apps are like widgets up on the system.
Yeah, you
Okay.
can install third-party applications. I mean, it's a Windows embedded based
Okay, so it's
system.
Windows
Okay.
No, embedded.
Embedded, embedded,
2011 with the Windows 7. It's the Windows 7 embedded.
Oh, okay. So
Okay,
this
that's
is
good.
7 embedded. Okay.
Windows, yeah, it's the latest.
Okay.
It's 2011 Windows 7 embedded 2011.
Yeah. Which is based. They
They base it off of Windows 7.
Windows 7
exactly,
core.
exactly. Based off the
Okay.
Windows 7 core, so we have a lot of flexibility. You want to install You want to install Microsoft Office. You want to install any Microsoft or Windows application, and you can basically make a button for it on the user interface.
Oh, that's
Launch
nice.
it just straight from there.
So, basically,
You
you
can Skype,
technically
video conferencing, whatever you want to
So
do.
you can
Instant
Skype on the road,
messaging.
yeah.
You can also another thing is also acts as an access point as well. If you have a phone that is Wi-Fi enabled, you will be able to see it. You'll be able to see the hotspot.
So off of the 3G in the car, you can essentially Wi-Fi off within the car.
on the long road trip. Oh, that's
Yeah,
nice.
So somebody with a laptop in the back.
Yeah, somebody with
Yeah.
a laptop in the back or
Okay.
a cell phone. You'll see there's the
Oh, that's a cell phone.
CTR 401. That's that's basically you log into that or go into that through that access point to be able to, and it all works. Driving on the road as long as you have as long as you've got connectivity via your 3G or 4G your network. Yeah, you're fine as far as internet.
Man, that's good.
Nice.
We're also able to take the satellite information, the GPS data, and transmit that back via internet to our servers to track, kind of, basically a GPS tracker, where the car's been, how fast it's going, that type of thing. And you can access that information through a web browser. You can log in through our website. We have a private website, which you might have seen it on our display booth, actually, the telemetric tracker.
Okay, so it'll keep all that data and stuff like that.
Yeah, it'll log it in.
So if you have like a speeding ticket issue, you can kind of like.
You can actually,
argue
it will. That's a good point. Yeah.
They have an argument right there, saying no, the GPS and satellite said I want this speed.
Yeah.
Sure.
Cool. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you. This is Thunder E from Booredatwork.com, and this is DashTop from Telemetrics.